today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, I just opened up this stock to flow model. Probably everyone who is in crypto for more than a month or so knows it. And many people are saying right now it is invalidated. What if I told you that the Bitcoin price right now, including the correction we are seeing, is doing exactly what we should expect from Bitcoin? What if I told you that this model is still predicting a price of way above $100,000 for this year, and maybe even more than $200,000-300,000 for the few months after this, the end of this year? I will talk about that. I will go into the charts, talk about the immediate short term, whether I think we are going to go lower, whether I think we are going to break the $28,800 level, which I stated for weeks as the low for Bitcoin. I will talk about all of that. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I'm here right now at a beautiful spot in Ibiza, and I'm gonna have some nice lunch over there. So smash up the like button if you want more of these videos on the go whenever it is necessary. And I can tell you something, guys, right now it is necessary AF. Let's go into the chart right now. Of course, make noise for the algorithm. Smash up the comments down below as well. Let's start for the immediate short term and then go into this one chart, into this very famous chart, the stock to flow model. And I want to talk about what it is flashing right now. Let's talk about that later on. First of all, I wanted to remind you guys, if you're subscribed to MMCrypto, go down below, claim $1,510 for your own trading by clicking the link after your initial deposit. After making an account with our link in the pinned comment, you get $1,510 for free. This is like a $45,000 trade on a 30x leverage. If you don't even touch your own deposited money and only trade with a bonus, make sure you take advantage of that. I'm personally trading on Bybit, Femex and Binance, but the most, of course, on Bybit. Let's talk about this here. So, as you know, Bitcoin was in this ascending triangle, not the most beautiful one, but for sure a legit one. And then we had this breakdown here, and I told you, hey guys, don't freak out unless we are not breaking the bottom here. Don't freak out unless we are not breaking the yellow box, which I call the Elon Musk buying zone, because that's the price where Elon Musk bought before, where I said I have a hard time thinking that we go below, because the market has a lot of confidence in these price levels. And we have the same thing with Michael Saylor. He has an average price of 26,000. Then we have Elon Musk buying in at 30,000. So these things, of course, bring confidence in the market. And right now we had this breakdown here. If I were to open this, you can see on the volume, there was also no volume coming in. So whenever we have no volume to the upside and to the downside, likelihood high that this is actually a fake out. So far, so good. What I am expecting here right now, if Bitcoin were to continue this rise towards the upside, this is the most important price level to state. And actually, I want to open a new box here, because now we are trading in a range. And let me quickly open the box here right there. So we have resistance here and we have support on the downside. This is the thing, guys. If we break to the upside, 42,000 and higher, even higher than the all-time high, I think we are going to rise to a massive run. However, if we break the bottom, which I don't think we will, I think that this was the low for Bitcoin. I don't think we are going to close below this Elon Musk buying zone again, but I can be wrong. If we do, we can go down to 26. We can go down to 24. We can even go down to the measured move price target of 21,000. This is the thing, guys. But the most important point of that video, I already start sweating a little bit, man. It's really, really hot here, is the stock to flow ratio. You know, the stock to flow ratio, the stock to flow model from Plan B, it is actually calculating the value of Bitcoin compared to the already existing stock towards the yet to be mined supply. So for Bitcoin is already the scarcest asset in the history of mankind, and because of the halvings every 4 years, it is getting scarcer and scarcer, because the already existing stock is getting bigger towards the yet to be mined supply. And every 4 years, the future inflation cuts in half. So the intrinsic value derived from the scarcity, of course, goes higher and higher every 4 years. So now going into the chart, you can see the projected value of Bitcoin is the gray line, whereas these colored dots are the price of Bitcoin each and every week. And right now you can see we are in the green phase. The green phase, actually, if you look at the previous cycles, is usually a phase where we are going parabolic. This is also what we did, but we got a bigger rejection than usually. Why? Well, let me tell you this. In the first cycle, the Bitcoin price was front running this specific value projection model, the gray line. In the second one, we were already lagging a little bit behind. If this continues and we have slightly lengthening cycles and also the Bitcoin price lagging a little bit behind that projected line, then we should expect here actually to break the line approximately at 100K within the next 6 months. And this would project a break of the 100K within the next 6 months. It's just we are a little bit, we are not able to wait. We want the price to go higher and higher and faster. But what this model actually projects is that we are even overshooting the line. So we can expect, according to that model, in the next 6 months, a break of that line and a shot over this line, maybe even towards $200,000-300,000. And ladies and gentlemen, you know what DaVinci J15 is projecting. He is, of course, projecting, according to the super cycle model, a much bigger price target. This is personally what I still believe in. This is still what I think. I just think that we went too high, too fast, and this is why we need this rejection. And according to the most famous model at all, we are still perfectly on track. I was just talking with Alex from MMCrypto about the same thing, and actually many of my friends sharing the same opinion here. I want to know what you think about that. Let me know down below in the comments, of course. Let me know, do you think we are still going to break 100K, or do you think this is invalidated and like all economic models for Bitcoin are invalidated and the bear market is already starting at 64K? Let me know what you think about that. Of course, think about the bonus here I am having provided for you down below. Wait a second, right here you can find $1,510 in free bonuses. And just to give you an update, my trade is open. I put my money where my mouth is. $38,000 in profits, slight profit compared to the $3 million position size, but I am keeping this one open just as I said before, and I will update you about that as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching until the very end. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button, sharing the video among your friends, and as always guys, as always, bye bye.